Hey. Good morning, y'all. I hope y'all doing well. This is Tonetta Clay, your social worker coach. So welcome to this video this morning. This is all for my couples out there to, of course, give you five ideas to, of course, have a great date night. Today, of course, is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to couples out there. And for those who are, of course, just out there in the world, whoever see this video, couple or not, just happy Valentine's Day. And definitely enjoy your day. But like I said, I definitely want to share some five different ideas so some couples can have some fun today on for their date night for Valentine's Day. So let me go ahead and get into number one. Number one, go see a movie or Netflix and chill or Prime and chill, whichever one y'all got. I guess I put it that way. Hulu and chill, whichever one you got. Like I said, definitely there's all types of movies that you can see on TV. Even the ones at the theaters, you can now, of course, rent those on TV too. So you won't even have to go anywhere if you don't want to. That's up to you. But you can definitely go out to still make it like a nice little date night, meet up at the movies. If y'all got two cars to drive and that kind of thing, just to make it fun. But like I said, definitely that's something good for you to do as well. Some fun is not. If you go out to the movies, of course, I think it's like $12, $14 now, I think a ticket. But if you're staying home, of course, you can watch anything on Hulu, Netflix, Prime, whatever kind of station you have. So of course, and that should be free unless you want to pay for a movie that's already kind of like new and kind of out. So let's get on to number two. Oh, and how to make that naughty. I do want to say that too. That's the nice way, but how to make it naughty. With all these things that I mentioned, you all can be nude if you want. You all can have on lingerie, that type of thing, all those type of things. You can have on that kind of stuff to, of course, watch TV, and that's up to you as well. Like I said, that's how you, because I did say nice or naughty, so I want to make sure I include that in her as well. The next one is eat at a new restaurant. I would say eat at a new restaurant or just experience something new. Me and my partner, we actually went to this Eritrean, I think is what it's called, restaurant. It's African. I know it's in your Eritrea. I guess I don't know how you pronounce it, y'all, but I know it's in Africa. That's all I can tell you. And we went to this restaurant. We actually went on Sunday. That was awesome. First time I ever ate like with the bread in my fingers and that kind of thing. So that was awesome. And it was a family style meal with this big old plate with all like scoops of food and that kind of thing. Like I said, that can definitely be a fun date night, especially if you're looking to do something different and not have the same type of food that you always have. Like I said, that was definitely something different. All of it actually tastes good to me. Some of it was spicy, some of it wasn't, but everything tastes good. Even the veggie, and I taste like a little bit of the meat one too. They were all good. Some, like I said, a little bit spicy on some of them, but for the most part, they were good. And like I said, definitely turning this into a date night. You don't have to go to a place like that, but you can go to, they have, I don't even know what they're called. We went to this place, I think it was a Korean or Japanese. They actually had like a grill like in the middle of our table. They brought like some raw meat slices and vegetables and all these like dips and sauces and that kind of thing. And we got a chance to like cook our food on the table and that kind of thing. That was awesome. I don't know the name of that type of restaurant, but it's either Korean or Japanese barbecue or something like that. I don't know, but like I said, we had went maybe like a month or so ago. You can always try. They have like the Japanese hibachi restaurants where they cook the food in front of you and do all these little tricks with the food, and they have all types of stuff that you can do. Like I said, just make it fun. Now the restaurant part, making it naughty, I I guess I can say you can try to play with each other in the bathroom or at the table, that kind of thing. But just keep in mind that there's other folks around and that's not legal really in most states. I guess I put it that way. I don't think any state really, but like I said, I guess the only thing I can say is just don't get caught. I guess I can say that. So, but like I said, definitely you didn't hear that from me. But the next one, y'all can, of course, this is something that's just kind of fun that y'all can do, especially for those folks who are visual, creative, that type of thing. Of course, working on a puzzle together, putting together a big puzzle. Well, it don't have to be giant, 1,000 pieces or 10,000 pieces, but 100-piece puzzle or that kind of thing, or something fun for y'all to work on. Like I said, definitely that is something always fun, especially if your partner loves puzzles and you both love puzzles and putting things together and creating stuff and that kind of thing. Like I said, that could be something that you all can create together. And how to make that naughty, I assume that they have some erotic puzzles out there somewhere. If not, maybe I need to create that, but I'm sure they got some. But like I said, definitely that'll be something nice for y'all to work on. I guess I put it that way as well. The next one, is another do-it-yourself type thing, and this is actually a do-it-yourself meal, cooking or baking together, making something new. I guess I put it that way. Whether you don't have to make nothing new. That's up to you. Make something that you know how to make and that your partner will like and that you can cook. I guess I put it that way, because you're making something new and it burns up and you don't taste right, then that may be a bust. But like I said, make something that you know how to cook and that your partner would of course love or like or love the taste, that kind of thing. And it could be whether it's a meal and or dessert. I guess I put it that way. Definitely make that. And like I said, I did include, just to let you all know, in the link in Instagram and on the in the description on Facebook, there's a link that's going to take you to scroll on down to my date night bundle. That's going to have a already done for you date nights included in there, and I actually have a date night in there called Cooking to Get Her, or it's called Cooking Together, but I labeled it as Cooking to Get Her. So like I said, that's actually, I believe you're nude on that one, actually. Like cooking in the kitchen, nude together, that kind of thing. Like I said, to make that naughty, because the date nights that I did include in there, I think most of them are naughty, actually, I want to say. So like I said, definitely pick that up. If you haven't checked it out, definitely pick it up and let me know how, I guess, like the results. I guess I put it that way, how you like it. So the last one, playing Truth or Dare. This can, of course, be very nice, and you don't have to go very deep or very sexual, that kind of thing. But if you want to make it naughty and sexual, go ahead and start asking those questions, whether you want to have a threesome or whatever the words are, or whatever you want to use, or have whatever kind of questions y'all want to put down, or any dares, or licking on my nipples, or kissing my lips, or the lips be up, I guess, above or below, or whatever you want to put in there. Like I said, definitely make it fun for you all. It doesn't have to be anything naughty. It could definitely be a nice one, just fun, just getting to know each other and that kind of thing. Unpacking that baggage with each other, it can definitely be that, because that's always needed. But if you want to have some fun and sexy for tonight, like I said, definitely make it naughty. And I know there's couples card, like Truth or Dare cards and that kind of things out there in games too. I can say that. But like I said, definitely, like I said, you can always make that nice or naughty. So with that, I want to say thank y'all for tuning in. Again, this is your coach, Tonetta Clay. And like I said before, if you want to pick up, I have a date night bundle that is more naughty date nights in there, but I definitely made some date night coupons for you all. Created some that you can print out. All you need to do is put your date on there. And that could be tonight or whenever, this weekend, whenever you all get a chance to set them. There's a lot of date nights in there that you all, like I said, and there's a bonus one too that's dealing more with BDSM and tying up and that kind of thing. But like I said, it's still erotic, it's still playful, it's still fun, it's still sexy. So like I said, definitely go ahead and pick up that bundle. Again, I'm Tonetta Clay, your social worker coach. I want to say happy Valentine's Day again to my couples out there, and to the folks who, of course, are not in relationship at this time. It's still a happy Valentine's Day to you too. You can still make this day an awesome, beautiful, loving, and blessed day. So take care, y'all, and have a great one. I'll see y'all later.